Lesson 2. Introduction to Harfu Jar. Hello everybody, welcome back to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey. Congratulations for completing lesson 1 about Damir. In lesson 2, you are going to learn Harfu Jar, which is also known as preposition. For each Harfu Jar that you will learn, you are going to combine it with a Damir so that you could construct short sentence. There are 8 Harfu Jar. Min means from. Fi means in or at. Bi means with or at. An means about or from. Ila means to. La or li means for or because. Ala means on. Ka means such as or same as. We will explain each Harfu Jar in details. Keep updated for next lesson 2.1. Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. Ila liqa. See you again.